Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, inshallah, I'm gonna speak about one of the most important lessons ever in English, which is adverbs. Before we start talking about adverbs, let's remember what we have learned about adjectives. We have learned something important about adjectives, which is that an adjective is used to tell you more about a noun. An adjective is used to describe a noun, to give you more information about the noun. Now, we are talking about a different issue right here, which is an adverb. What is an adverb? An adverb is a word that tells you more about a verb. An adverb tells you more about a verb. That makes sense. So an adverb tells you how the verb happened or when the verb happened or where the verb happened. Put these words into your mind. We're gonna use them later. How the verb happens, when the verb happens, and where the verb happens. Let's start with the definition, okay? An adverb is a word that tells something about a verb. Some adverbs tell how, when, or where. An adverb can come before or after the verb. Most adverbs that tell how end in ly. This part is theoretical. It's only words. Some of you may get the point out of it, and others can still find a little bit of difficulty. For both, don't worry, I'm here. Okay? Let's take this example. Yesterday, our puppy played happily outside. This sentence includes 3 adverbs. The first adverb is yesterday. Words like yesterday are considered as adverbs. Why? Because as we said here, we said that an adverb tells you how and when the verb takes place. So yesterday, the word yesterday is an adverb. Okay. Our puppy, what is the subject in this sentence? The puppy. Our puppy. What did it do? It played. Okay, just played? No, happily. What happily? The puppy is happily? Or the playing happened in a happy way? It's the playing. Our puppy played happily. Happily, the playing looked happy. The playing itself. Okay, the puppy played happily. Okay, so the word happily tells you how the verb happened. The word happily tells you how the verb happened. The verb happened happily. Yesterday, our puppy played happily outside. Where? Outside. Where again? Outside. So words like outside are considered or an adverb. Okay? Did you get it 100%? Still? Yeah? Okay. I'm gonna show you something here that I have made. I'm sure that it's going to clarify more about the thing that we are talking about, which is adverbs. Okay? So, adverbs. I ate my dinner quickly. Here, quickly tells us how the action happens. That is, quickly describes the action. Word ate. Another example. Sam sees many puppies outside. In this example, outside tells us where the action happens. That is outside. So the word outside describes the action word sees. Let's look at one more example. My father came home early. My father came home early. The word early here is telling you more about the action that happened, which is the action came. This means that an adverb is a word that tells something more about a verb. Remember what we said in the lesson? An adverb tells how, where, or when an action happens. Daily, somewhere, quickly, everywhere, calmly, regularly, nowhere, freely, silently, near, soon, etc. All of these words are called adverbs. An adverb never describes a noun or a pronoun. Never. So we're gonna tell him to remember the following. Adverbs describe verbs. Meanwhile, adjectives describe nouns. An adverb never describes a noun. I ate a heavy meal. The word heavy here is not talking about the word ate, it's talking about the noun meal. Remember, this means that it's an adjective. Sometimes we use the adjectives and we add ly to them to turn them from being adjectives into being adverbs. Like in this example, the dress is elegant. Here, the word elegant is an adjective as it's speaking about the dress. But when I say, for example, she dresses elegantly, the word elegantly is an adverb as it's adding more to the verb dresses. She dresses. Dresses is a verb and we were talking about it. You all know what the proverb says. It says, the more you practice, the more you gain. What I want from you in sentences from 1 to 5, the title of the question says the verb in each sentence is underlined. Write the adverb in the space he means, then write whether it tells when, how, or where. In sentences from 6 to 10, he wants you to underline each adverb and to write the verb that it describes. Remember the thing that we have done with the adjectives in lesson 16? It's the same thing here, but this time it's with adverbs and the verbs that they are describing. I hope this was useful for you. Kindly take a photo of your answer and send it to me on Class Dojo or WhatsApp. And as usual, stay safe.